Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be turning myself into an e-girl. I'm not an e-girl at all. I'm not cool like that at all, but I'm going to be attempting to kind of give myself a little bit of an e-girl makeover. I even added some jewelry kind of ish, and I did my makeup like that. This was the finished results. If you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. And also, if you're wondering what color contacts I am wearing, because I literally have the darkest, brownest, most boba looking eyes, I am wearing brown contacts from Kristen. I don't remember the name. I'll leave it in the description bar down below for you guys, and my discount code is ShilaBui10 if you want 10% off of all the color contacts on that website. It's not sponsored, but I do get questions about my color contacts, so I just thought I would tell you guys. And also, if you're new here, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up for me, and your girl is back. I literally have a fat list of videos I want to film for you guys. I have missed you so much, like so much. I felt like it wasn't me not wanting to film videos for you guys. It genuinely just was I didn't have any ideas on what to film, and I felt like I didn't just want to keep doing reaction videos, because yes, I do film reaction videos, but I do film other videos as well, and I couldn't think of anything else besides reaction videos until now. I have a few videos up in here, and you're gonna be seeing them throughout this week, but I'm gonna stop rambling on and on. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me, comment down below anything you want. I read all of my comments, and let's get started. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I have very small lips, so I'm going to make them bigger with my DIY lip injections. I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I actually found a Korean one that's actually also very good, but I feel like this one's more accessible, and a lot of you guys probably have this. I don't think this is a good lip gloss by any means. The lip gloss wise, it sucks, but for a primer, like a lip primer, I enjoy using it as a lip primer to make my lips more plump. And also, in regards to skin, I already know my skin looks like shit. You guys don't have to tell me in the comments. I know it looks like ass because maskne. I zoomed in a little bit so you guys can get a better view, but I'm taking just any primer. This is the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. You guys know I am obsessed with this primer. I feel like it's really good, and for the price, it's so cheap. I am trying to branch out my makeup because I feel like I do use the same like 3 products the entire time, but this one is really good if you guys are looking for a good oil-free pore kind of primer. This is amazing. For foundation, we are going to be taking Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. This does have an SPF 30. I like this because I got it for $3, but foundation-wise, it's not one of my favorites. It is a very matte foundation, so if you have issues with being super oily, this is great. It's so freaking mattifying. I would say this is about light to medium coverage. It's not full coverage, so you can see the areas where I'm breaking out. I kind of just leave it there a little bit so it can dry as I'm working on other parts of my face. That way, if it dries just a little bit, I feel like the coverage is a lot better. For concealer today, I'm taking the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I'm using this one because it literally matches my skin tone perfectly, and going over all the areas I have blemishes. The foundation, it gives a very light medium coverage. It evens out my skin tone, because other than the spots where I'm breaking out because of mask acne, I don't have a lot of scarring. I don't have a lot of acne other than the places where I'm breaking out, so this is great just to give those places more coverage, and this is a really mattifying concealer. I like it. Then I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Wheat, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes. I feel like all my concealers right now are a little bit too dark for me, but this one is a little bit lighter. It's just a tiny bit lighter than my skin tone. Now I'm just taking some translucent powder. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focusing translucent powder. You guys know I am obsessed with my Givenchy one, but I always complain about how it's so expensive and I hate using it in videos because it's just so expensive. I finally found a pretty decent one at the drugstore, and I kind of like this one a lot. So I actually saw this in a TikTok video because I learned that I hate doing my brows because they're never even, but I have pretty decently filled brows, so I learned that you can just literally clean them up with some concealer and they'll look alright, and I've been doing that, and I kind of want to do that for this video. Taking some Benefit Gimme Brow to brush through my brows. This just helps make them a little bit darker and kind of keep them in place as well. And then I'll take some concealer. I'm just going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just cleaning up the brow area. And then for pretty much baking, I'm taking a stippling brush. I just like to bake just a little bit. It doesn't have to be too much, just a little bit. For eyes, I've seen a few people do like a really pretty pink colored eye or just like a grayish smoky eye. I'm gonna go really simple because I'm lazy, and if I can get the look done in like 2 seconds, I will. This is from the Wet n Wild palette, and the palette is called Rose in the Air. I'm taking the transition shade right here, and I'm literally gonna plop that into my lid, take some dark brown, smoke it out, and call it a day, because you'll see why, but pretty much the main focus of this look is going to be the eyeliner and the lashes anyways. Doesn't really matter too much unless you're doing a pink look. That would be different, but I feel like I've done so many pink looks on this channel that I'm gonna do one of those pink looks if I were to do it, and you guys don't need to see the same look like 3 times. Taking a cream shade, I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit, put it underneath the brow bone like a matte cream shade, which, by the way, I'm literally getting all the shades in this palette. I'm lazy right now and I don't feel like doing too much. I'm gonna take the dark brown shade in here as well. I'm gonna just put that stuff in the outer corner just to smoke it out, and I'm taking it on a Morphe M453 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. If you like to just use like one color all over the lid and blending it out, this is a great brush for that as well. I feel like for this look, it's really important to do your lower lash lines. I don't always do my lower lash lines when I do eyeshadow, but it's important if you're gonna go for a darker look to always have something on your lower lash line, or else you're gonna kind of look like a clown. So taking the same gray transition shade from the palette, and I'm just putting this, literally dusting this on my lower lash line. You guys will see I've gotten so lazy with my eye makeup that if I can get away with it, doing it an easier way, I will. Next, I'm actually going to go in with contour. Usually a step after this, you would do your eyeliner and your mascara, but I wanted to do contour so then that way I can give it time to just kind of settle into my face and look more natural and seamless. And I'm just taking the Kat Von D contour. I haven't quite, it's not that I haven't found a good drugstore contour yet, or like have experimented with other contour colors. Your girl's just broke, and this is what I have at home, so I'm going to use it. But I'm just using this to contour. Any contour will do. I feel like you really do have to either bronze and contour your face for this look to give it more of a lifted look. This look is very lifted in my opinion. And then I'm going to show you a little trick that I also do to get your face to be more lifted, because my face has gotten very swollen. I've been eating a lot of carbs and salty food this week, so my face has just like ballooned up and it's really bad. The contour color, I'm going to contour my nose. I don't usually contour my nose, but for some reason, for YouTube videos and TikToks, I like to contour my nose. I feel like in person, it doesn't look quite right because I don't think I do it right, but in photos and stuff, it looks a little off if I don't contour, so I just contour a little bit. For blush, I'm going to be taking this. It's the Peripera Blush in 05 Dusky Rose. I actually think I still need to do my Yes Style haul for you guys, but I got this on Yes Style, and you can use my code ShilaBui at checkout for 10% off. But yeah, so just taking this color right here. I don't think, have I filmed my Yes Style haul? I don't remember, but if I did, that's cool. If I didn't, I need to film one, but I think I might have filmed it. I don't remember. But I'm just putting this. So with this look, I know a lot of girls usually will like do like the thing right there, but it doesn't look cute on me. I've tried. I look like a clown. So I do it to match my face shape, so it makes it more lifted. But if you want, you can definitely just put it across. It'll really give you like a really cutesy younger look. I'm going to go in with Champagne Pop from Becca for my nose. Now on to the hard part. I don't really know how to show you guys this on camera. I will try, but take some black eyeliner. The one I'm using is Milani Waterproof Pen Eyeliner, and this one by the brand Heroin Make Liquid Smooth Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm out of black eyeliner, and these are the only two I have, so I'm using two because when I run out, I can switch from in between them. I'm taking the Heroin mascara, and I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara first, and then I'm going to apply on the lashes. I'm going to take some black eyeliner pencil. This is just the Urban Decay Glide On. Put that on my lower lash line. And connect it. I'm just going to take a smudger brush and smudge it. For the part that literally will change the entire look, you have to do like those pointy inner corners. It will change the whole look. I feel like this is such a dark look. You do have to do a little bit of brows. Just make them extra dark. Usually I don't, because like I've been saying, like do like a more natural look. But I feel like for today's look, we have to do a little bit of brows just to get everything looking symmetrical. In the picture you saw, I think I was wearing a lighter lip, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, this is the Maybelline Almond Rose lipstick. It's broken. I need to get a new one. Maybelline wants to send me a PR package. That'd be great. I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty in Fenty Glow for the lip gloss. That's okay. It kind of evens it out just a little bit. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I feel like I did a pretty decent job. Honestly, I am not an e-girl at all, so this is pretty new to me, but let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And also let me know if you guys have any video requests for the future. I would love to film it for you guys. And I think honestly, if I were to give myself a rating, I feel like this is like a solid 7 out of 10 on trying to turn myself into an e-girl. I feel like it's a decent look. I did an okay job with the makeup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!